Welcome to today's flip video on dividing fractions. To get us started today, we're actually going to start with a new vocabulary term. You're going to learn the word reciprocal. Now, a reciprocal is a fraction created when you take a numerator and switch it for the denominator. So if we started with the fraction 2/3, its reciprocal would be 3/2. And what we did there, we take the numerator, it becomes the denominator. We take the denominator, it becomes the numerator. So a reciprocal is basically the fraction upside down. And the reason we need to know that is because we use that to divide fractions. So let's start with an example. Let's take 4/5 and divide that by 2/3. So to divide fractions, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. In this case, we have 4/5 divided by 2/3. We're going to rewrite that. The 4/5 stays the same, and we will now multiply it by the reciprocal of 2/3. So the 3, the denominator, now goes on top. The 2 that was on top now goes on the bottom. After that, the rules for multiplying still apply. So we multiply the numerators, 4 times 3 to get 12. And we multiply the denominators, 5 times 2 will give us 10. And we'll have our answer as 12/10. And while that's a correct answer, it's not in simplest terms yet, so we need to simplify this further. You can see that both can be divided by 2. We can have 6/5. And we're not quite finished yet because this is an improper fraction. We have a larger number as a numerator. 5 will go into 6 a total of 1 whole time. How many will be left over? We'll have 1 left over. And as our denominator, since we're working in fifths, it stays the same. So we started here as 4/5 divided by 2/3. We multiply by the reciprocal of 2/3. So 4/5 times 3/2, 12/10. From there on, we simplify to get our answer. It's that straightforward. Whenever you divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, now you try. I would like you to try 7/8 divided by 1/2. So starting now, pause the video, try it on your own, and then when you start the video again, we'll have the answer here for you. So pause now. So to get you started, I'm sure you took the 7/8 and multiplied by the reciprocal, 2/1. You calculated your numerator, which was 14. You calculated your denominator, 8 times 1, which was 8. You simplify next, and then finish it off with a mixed number. Okay, if you got there, well done. And I would like you to try 2 more. I will not take them up in the video because this is going on to 4 minutes now. I'd like you to try these and bring your answers to class with you tomorrow so we can take them up. Okay, we have 3/4 divided by 4/5, 2/3 divided by 7/10. Give those a try, and thank you for watching.